I love the colorful clothes she wears and the way the sunlight plays upon her hair. I hear the sound of a gentle word on the wind that lifts her perfume through the air.
I'm picking up good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations. I'm picking up good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations. I'm picking up good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations. Picking up good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations.
Close my eyes, she's somehow closer now. Softly smile, I know she must be kind. In her eyes, she goes with me to a blossom room.
I'm picking up good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations. I'm picking up good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations. Picking up good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations. Picking up good vibrations. She's giving me the I don't know where, but she sends me there. Gotta keep those loving good vibrations happening with her. Gotta keep those loving good vibrations happening with her. Gotta keep those loving good vibrations.
They're not noted for their conversation.
Well,
They're not going to be world business leaders.
well,
If it's intellectual stimulation you want,
well,
then you've come to the wrong place.
Women are brought up in really hundreds of ways. I mean, from the time they're 2 and 3 years old, to be cute and coquettish and intellectually unserious.
She had some of the appeal of a helpless child and some of the appeal of a truly mature woman.
The bunny costume is indeed a costume, and it is supposed to be a rabbit because the male image in the magazine is a rabbit. Now it does, admittedly, it's awfully figure-flattering.
We just knew that we lived in his world and we had to follow the rules.
You make them look like animals, yes. Women aren't bunnies, they're not rabbits, they're human beings.
Thursday night was pig night.
When the guys on the mansion list were expected to bring women, they were ranked.
What are you worth then?
Stopped counting a while back.
We were all kind of gaslit and expected to think of Hef as like this really good guy.
The best one right now seems to be Pips, which was started by my man.
Oh, he's got a discotheque going too.
Mm-hmm.
So you can imagine that girls who are abused might turn to that pattern of seductive behavior.
They benefit from oppressing women. They really do. Hefner has built an empire based on oppressing women.
He's an icon. He's changed the world. And he keeps continuing to change the world.
The girls were escorted into the front bathroom where the doctor would inspect them for anything that would be detrimental to any of his friends.
The role that you have selected for women is degrading to women because you choose to see women as sex objects, not as full human beings.
Can you have boyfriends at all? You're not allowed to.
Boyfriends. Try Jerkins lotion. Rub some on and fool your daughter's friends.
I'm more in sympathy than perhaps, the girls realize with...
Women.
I'm sorry.
Yes, I'm 35.
As we got the allowance, he paid for certain things for us, covered insurance, bought us cars. He needed us to be at his side and look pretty.
Marilyn was both the first cover star and also the first naked centerfold in the first issue of Playboy. But the naked photos were acquired without her consent.
Hefner responded to rumors that he was in failing health last year by posting this photo with his wife Crystal, who is 60 years younger.
I think whether you are male or female is the beginning of who you are as a human being.
She'd signed the release with a false name, but somehow Hefner got hold of them and paid the photographer rather than her. Hefner ended up buying the crypt next to hers at the cemetery in Los Angeles where they're both buried, obviously buried many decades after she was, but they never actually met in real life.
Hefner bought the crypt next to Marilyn's for $75,000.
Now, it was so easy to get isolated from the outside world there.
I think the difference between men and women ought to be capitalized on and not swept under the rug. We are men and you are women. When I work with a patient, she's a woman, I have to get her over all these subdued, docile feelings.
By the time Hefner grew old, he had lost the glamour that he had. Even the most successful Playboy has a shelf life.